In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export contacts in Outlook. We'll walk through exporting your current contacts to a CSV file, and then importing a CSV back into Outlook so your address book stays up to date across devices. To start, open Outlook and head to the People view from the left-hand side. That puts you in the Contacts area, where you can see your updated list and confirm everything looks right before you create a backup. At the top of the window, in the Home section, look for the area labeled Import or Export Contacts. Choose the option to export. If you see a prompt, select Export again to confirm. Outlook will ask where to put the file and will save it as a CSV in the folder you choose. Pick a location you can find easily, give the file a clear name and date, and let the export complete. CSV stands for comma-separated values, which is a simple format most apps can read. You can open it with a spreadsheet program to spot check, but avoid changing column headers or formats unless you're comfortable, because those details help Outlook bring everything back in cleanly. Keep this CSV as your backup. If you're moving to a new computer or signing in on another device, this is the file you'll use to carry your contacts over. And if Outlook asks to replace an existing file with the same name, choose a new name so you preserve earlier backups. Now let's import. From the same place in the People view, select Import Contacts. Browse to the CSV file you want to bring in, select it, and confirm. Outlook will add the details into your contacts. Importing adds to your current list, it doesn't delete what's already there. If you're importing a large list, give it a moment, you'll see your People list update as entries are added. After it finishes, glance through a few contacts to make sure names, emails, and phone numbers appear in the right places. If there are duplicates, that usually means the same person existed in both places. You can tidy those up afterward. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.